And every silently where love had been, and in your eyes alone I've never seen. If I had found the words, you might have stayed. But as I thought to speak, the music played. As lovers danced their way around the floor, I sat and watched you walk towards the door. I heard a friend of yours suggest you stay. And as you took his hand, the music played. Across the darkened room, the path of silence saw you did something more than friends before. While I was haunting you by clinging to my pride, he had been waiting and I drove him to your side. I couldn't say the things I should have said. Refused to let my heart control my head. But I was made to say the price I paid. And as I held you close, the music played. The music